Peter says, "Hello. Today I will be explaining our battle system. The Ambassador of Information can now be fought at any time using the start command. It is technically possible to defeat this enemy alone, but the power of cooperation will make this much easier. Friends can join your ongoing battle simply by using one of the on-screen commands. There are multiple attacks you may use against the Ambassador of Information. Aside from the regular attack, which does 10 to 20 damage by default, there is also a selection of special abilities which are randomly assigned to players when they enter the battle. These abilities have various effects, and cost MP to use. Use the info command and include the name of an ability to read its description. Be careful, however. The Ambassador of Information also has a wide range of moves that can harm you and your team. Team members can be revived, but if you wait too long or do not have the proper ability, the Ambassador of Information might turn them into a zombie. When the Ambassador of Information is defeated, the rewarded pelicans are split up evenly amongst the living party members. You can exchange these pelicans to buy items in the shop, and some of these items can help you win future battles. Peter says, "I hope you enjoy fighting the Ambassador of Information.